In today's video, I am going to teach you how to notify your LinkedIn network of a new job update. Keeping your professional network informed about your career progress is an important aspect of maintaining a vibrant LinkedIn profile. Let us get started. First, you will want to navigate to LinkedIn.com using your favorite web browser. Once you are on the site, go ahead and log in. You can sign in with Google, Microsoft, or simply use your email address and password. These options provide you with flexibility, allowing you to choose the method you find most convenient. If you happen to have two-factor authentication enabled for extra security, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account. In this case, a code will be sent to your phone number. Just make sure your device is nearby to complete this step seamlessly. Once you have logged in, head to the top of your LinkedIn homepage and click on the Me icon. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu with various personal account options. From this menu, you will want to click on View Profile. This will take you directly to your personal profile page. Now that you have accessed your profile page, scroll down until you reach the Experience section. This is the area where you showcase your professional journey. Updating this section reflects your latest career developments for your connections to see. Within the Experience section, look for the plus sign. This icon allows you to add a new position to your profile. Clicking it opens a straightforward form where you can input key details about your new role. Make sure to include the company name, your job title, and the dates of your employment. Providing precise information helps your network understand the path you are on. One crucial element here is the Notify Network toggle. Be sure to enable this option to ensure your connections are automatically informed about your exciting job update. This feature is a fantastic way to share your career progress with your professional circle, eliminating the need for separate announcements. After you have entered all the necessary information about your new job and have confirmed that the Notify Network option is turned on, go ahead and save the changes. This simple action updates your profile and informs your LinkedIn network about your new role, and that is all there is to it. You have successfully notified your LinkedIn connections about your new job in just a few easy steps. Keeping your LinkedIn profile current not only enhances your professional presence online, but also keeps you actively engaged with your network. This ensures that your career milestones are celebrated and recognized by those you are connected with. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found these tips helpful on your career journey.